You think you've seen the world's most beautiful places? Think again. Because today, we're uncovering breathtaking destinations so remote, so untouched, and so jaw-droppingly beautiful that most travelers don't even know they exist. From secret islands with glowing waters to ancient towns frozen in time, these are the most beautiful places you've never heard of. So sit back, relax, and let's take you on a journey beyond the guidebooks. Number 10. Geethorn, Netherlands. Imagine a fairy tale village where there are no roads, just tranquil canals, charming cottages, and little wooden bridges. Welcome to Geethorn, often called the Venice of the North. Instead of cars, locals use boats to get around, and the peaceful sound of water replaces traffic noise. In spring, the entire village bursts into color, with flowers spilling from every garden and ducks gliding under arched bridges. It's the kind of place that feels more like a dream than real life. Number 9. Faroe Islands. Between Iceland and Norway lies a cluster of 18 volcanic islands few travelers can point to on a map, the Faroe Islands. Here, waterfalls tumble straight into the sea, mist rolls over emerald cliffs, and puffins perch on rugged coastlines. It's like stepping into a fantasy movie, but with real Viking history and some of the most photogenic villages in Europe. If you ever dreamed of escaping to a world untouched by time, this is it. Number 8. Socotra Island, Yemen. Imagine a landscape that looks like it belongs on another planet. That's Socotra Island. Its alien-like dragon's blood trees and surreal rock formations make it one of the strangest and most beautiful places on Earth. Home to species found nowhere else, Socotra is often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. It's wild, untouched, and a true bucket list destination for adventurers. Number 7. Ait Ben Haddou, Morocco. Ait Ben Haddou, an ancient earthen village along Morocco's old caravan route, has stood for over 1,000 years. Made entirely from clay and straw, its fortified walls and winding paths have appeared in films like Gladiator and Game of Thrones. When the sun sets, the entire village glows gold, a perfect symbol of the beauty hidden in the world's forgotten corners. Number 6. Huaca China, Peru. A desert oasis surrounded by towering sand dunes. That's Huaca China, hidden deep in southern Peru. This tiny village, with just a few hundred residents, encircles a shimmering lagoon that legend says was created by a fallen goddess's tears. Here, travelers can sandboard down the dunes at sunset or ride dune buggies that make you feel like you're on another planet. It's surreal, golden, and unlike anywhere else on Earth. By the way, if you're dreaming of exploring these hidden gems but find travel planning stressful, I've got you covered. Grab the ultimate travel planner. It'll help you organize your trips, budget, itineraries, and bucket list all in one place. The link's right there in the description. Trust me, it makes travel planning so much easier. Number 5. Chefchaouen, Morocco. Welcome to the Blue Pearl of Morocco, Chefchaouen. Every wall, door, and staircase here is painted in shades of sky blue, creating one of the most photogenic towns in the world. Wander through its winding alleys, and you'll feel the calm of the color surrounding you. Said to represent the sky and heaven, it's not just a feast for the eyes. It's a soul-soothing escape from the chaos of modern life. Number 4. Raja Ampat, Indonesia. Tucked away off the coast of West Papua lies Raja Ampat, one of the world's last true underwater paradises. It's made up of over 1,500 tiny islands surrounded by crystal-clear turquoise waters, home to the richest marine life on Earth. Snorkel among coral gardens, swim with manta rays, and hike to viewpoints that overlook lagoons so perfect they barely seem real. It's paradise with no crowds. Number 3. Hallstatt, Austria. Perched beside a serene alpine lake and framed by snow-dusted mountains, Hallstatt looks like a postcard brought to life. Colorful houses line the waterfront, and in winter, it turns into a magical snowy village straight out of a Christmas movie. It's small, peaceful, and so beautiful that it inspired the design of Disney's Arendelle from Frozen. Yes, it's that picturesque. Number 2. Meteora, Greece. Rising high above the plains of central Greece are towering rock pillars that seem to touch the clouds. At their summits sit centuries-old monasteries. This is Meteora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels straight out of a fantasy novel. Monks once hauled supplies up with ropes and pulleys, and today visitors can still feel that sense of awe and isolation as they gaze at the view. Sunsets here, absolutely otherworldly. And finally, number 1. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia, a cascading wonderland of turquoise lakes, wooden walkways, and lush forest. Plitvice Lakes National Park looks like something out of a painting. 16 crystal-clear lakes are connected by hundreds of waterfalls, each more mesmerizing than the last. In summer, the sunlight dances across the water. In autumn, it turns into a fiery canvas of orange and gold. It's one of Europe's most breathtaking hidden treasures. If this journey inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss more breathtaking travel videos like this one. Thanks for watching! And remember, the world is full of hidden beauty. You just have to know where to look. Make sure to check out my Switzerland in 4K scenic relaxation video right after this for more beautiful scenery. It's perfect for sleep, study, focus, or just pure escape.